Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Uber Eats application on your device. So let's get started right away. If the Uber Eats application is not working as well as it is supposed to, then this is probably because it is not running the latest updates. So in order to correct this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box at the top section and type in Uber Eats and start your search. Once you find the Uber Eats application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on update in order to install the latest updates. Just wait for a while until the update installation is completed, and when it is done, you will once again see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. And now you will be able to enjoy the application with its latest updates without any issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Uber Eats application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.